Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. This is our day 12 of SQL LeetCode problem series, and today we solve question 1280, students and examination. This is a easy level question, and here we have a table. The table name is students, and here we have a column name and types. There are two columns here, student ID and student name. Here student ID is the primary key column with unique values for this table. Each rows of this table contain the ID and the name of one student in school. And we have also, I think, second table, which name is subjects. And here column name and its type. Column name is subject name and its type is varchar. Subject name is the primary key column with the unique value for this table. Each rows of this table contain the name of one subject in the schools. And the third one table is we have examination, and here also all column name and its type. Column name, there are two columns. For the first one is student ID and the second one is subject name. It means we have to join, I think, from students table and from subject table. So then create, I think, examination. So this is also there is no primary key column with the unique values for this table. It may contain duplicates. Each student from the students table takes every courses from the subjects table. Each rows of this table indicate that a student with a ID, student ID attend the exam of the subject name. Write a solution to find the number of times each student attend each exam. Return the result table ordered by student ID and the student subject. The result format is the following example. So here we have a input. In input, we have a we have a student table, subject table, and examination table. In the student table, student ID and student name. So here some ID for a student like 1, 2, and 13 and 6. And here the subject name, maths, physics, and programming. The examination table, 1 1 1 for this is for first student maths, and the second one is physics. The programming, the third one is programming, and this is for second student, and this is also for first student. This is for examination. And here the main point is what we have to find here. Write a solution to find number of time each student attend each exam. So here we have to print this table: student ID, student name, student subject, and attend examination time. The result table should be contain all students and all subjects align allies attend the maths exam 3 times, the physics exam 2 times, and the programming exam is 1 time. Let's go and write the query here. So first we have right here select, and what we have to print here, we have to print here firstly student ID. So here we write student ID, and the second we have to print student name. So here we write student name, and then here we write subject name. Yes, here we write subject name, and then attend redundant exams. Okay, let's now we have to, in examination, we have to write a count. That means here mention, where go, yes, here mention number of times each student attend the exam, this. So here we write count or subject name. Okay, and now here we write also as a, where is go, yes, as a. Okay, now let's go and write here for, yep, I think in this first line. Okay, when we go and write from, what is our first table name is, our first table name is student. So here we write student or students. So here we have our first table is student. So here we write a student like a s. So here this is a student ID. So here we write a student ID. This is for student name. So here we also write a student's name. Here, sorry, yes, a student's name, and here we write a subject. So here we write a cross joint. Okay, here we write a cross join, and here we write a subjects table. We have a subjects table. Yes, we have a subject table as a sub, and this is for a subject. So here we write a subject, and then this is count also from the subject, but not because here the mention is attend examination, each exam. So here is exam. So here we write a left joint for examination. It means all the first column data So here we have all the first table data. When we use left joint, so here we write a left joint for examination examinations, I think. Yes, our table name is examination. So here we write as a E, and this for E. So here we write E, and this is on. Here we write on for students ID is equal to E for examination, and here we write a student name. Okay, and I think yes, student's name, and now here we write AND operation for a subject name and is equal to or subject name in examination also, and this is group by because here everything in this group like one subject for the count. So here we write as group by what's group by a student. So here we write a as for students as for students table. So here we write a students and ID, and then here we write student name and subject by subject name. Then here we write for order by. That means for a sequence. It's used for a sequence. So here we write a student ID and a subject for a subject name. Yes. Now we run this code. Hmm. Yes, I think all this by e dot student's name on class e dot student name e dot student name where we have to use. Yes, here I think use student ID because we mention a student ID because this is for student name and student sorry, here we use subject name and exam for subject name, and here for use student ID for students table and exam table. So now run this. Just accepted. Now submit the code. I think all test cases passed as I can check. Yes, all test cases passed, so we will meet in the next video. If you are new in this channel, make sure like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon. And also you can go and in the description and check full playlist in